The metadata panel in Adobe Premiere Pro provides detailed information about your media files and clips, including both technical and descriptive data. Here's what you can do with it. 1. View metadata. Displays a wide range of metadata for selected media files or clips, including file properties, camera settings, timecode, and more. 2. Edit metadata. Allows you to edit certain types of metadata, such as adding or changing descriptions, keywords, and other information that can help organize and find your media. 3. Custom metadata display. Customize which metadata fields are displayed, allowing you to focus on the most relevant information for your project. 4. Search metadata. Use the search function to quickly find specific metadata within your files. This can be useful for managing large projects with numerous clips. The metadata panel is a powerful tool for managing and organizing your media files, ensuring you have all the necessary information to work efficiently and effectively.